Salesforce versus Oracle, choosing the ideal cloud CRM provider. In the realm of cloud CRM providers, Salesforce and Oracle stand out as dominant choices. Salesforce commands a 19% market share, while Oracle boasts an approximate 12% share. Deciding between these two requires a thorough comparison of their features and services. Salesforce CRM Overview. Salesforce's Customer 360 offers a diverse range of CRM products. Sales Cloud enhances sales processes and closures. Service Cloud streamlines customer support. Marketing Cloud facilitates AI-driven marketing automation. Commerce Cloud enables personalized e-commerce experiences. Data Cloud manages customer data across applications. App Exchange offers a library of extensions. Oracle CRM Overview. Oracle's advertising and CX solutions present various CRM products. Cross CX for managing marketing, sales, and service. B2B, B2C marketing for multi-channel campaigns. Oracle Advertising leverages AI insights. Oracle Sales offers AI-powered sales tools. Oracle Intelligent Service enhances service CX. Comparison. Pricing model. Salesforce offers various plans starting from $25 to $330 user monthly with a 30-day free trial. Oracle's plans range from $75 to $300 user monthly without a free trial, making it relatively pricier. Features and capabilities. Both offer similar main products with distinct features. Salesforce emphasizes collaborative sales and service tools, while Oracle focuses on analytics-driven insights. Integration options. Both support integration with various platforms, so compatibility with your existing systems is crucial. Language and device support. Salesforce supports multiple languages, whereas Oracle supports only English. Both support major operating systems. Service and support. Both provide professional assistance and support via multiple channels, differing slightly in the available support mediums. The decision between Salesforce and Oracle CRM should align with your business's specific needs. Evaluate your requirements against the features offered by each provider. Salesforce emphasizes collaboration and versatility, while Oracle focuses on analytics and insights. Consider factors such as pricing, features, integration options, language support, and service accessibility to determine the best fit for your business's CRM needs. Contact us, sales@talgoworks.com.